Hello everyone, welcome. Today we're going to be working on this 2022 or 23 Toyota Tundra. All keys lost. First thing we're going to do, remove this plastic piece here, and as you can see it right there on that second box next to the silver one, top connector got to get removed. Plug in our bypass cable. Okay, once we do that, come in here, do the backup. Okay, now we're backing up eeprom data. Save the file. Now that the backup is complete, we want to go and generate analog key. Let's pull up our file. Okay, and let's connect our adapter. Okay, now we have our key emulator connected. I'm gonna hit OK. Okay, at this point, I want to plug in back the original connector into the smart box, and we'll test it out. All right, it's asking us if this turns on ignition. Yes, it did. So I'm gonna hit yes. Okay, and now we're gonna go to add the smart key, and that's our VIN number. Hit OK. I'm sorry. Yes, I've backed up the file. Let's select it, the Tundra right there. Okay. Now we'll take the key that we want to learn. It's going to beep twice. It's going to say succeeded. The remote is not going to work. What we'll do, we need to go here, and we want to sync steering lock right there. It says turn on ignition. Ignition is on. Yes, I did back up the file. Let's select it again. Boom. It's reading the pin. Okay. Now let's test it out. All right, we're gonna try to start the truck. All right, the shifter is in drive, we need to put that in neutral or park in order for us to start the vehicle. So once we had our original backup and we did the ID sync with the steering lock, the remote did not work. So I had to plug in my cable, my bypass cable, to the smart box, do the backup again. So I did backup 2.0, and then I did the sync, the steering lock sync, and now it works. As you could hear, we still can't start the truck because the transmission was moved out of position. But right now we're gonna go underneath the truck and try to put that transmission back in park, and hopefully we can start this truck. But I know the key is fine because it turns on ignition and it locks and unlocks the truck. So my job is complete. I'll keep you guys posted. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you.